Hello friends, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about forging. In the previous session we have discussed about casting, in which we will get the desired shape of an object by melting the material or melting the metal. In forging also we get the desired shape, but in this process generally we did not melt the metal. Of course, we can heat the metal, but below the recrystallization temperature, but not we use the molten material. So, in casting generally we used the molten material, but in forging we generally not use the molten material. There are two types of forging. We can use the cold forging at a normal temperature or room temperature, or hot forging in which we heat the metal or material but below the recrystallization temperature. So what is forging? Forging uses compressive force to shape the metal. A hammer or die strikes the metal workpiece until the desired shape is formed. So in this forging also we are getting a desired shape, but the process is different that of the casting. Now there are various advantages and disadvantages of forging also. Generally, by the help of forging we get unbroken grain flow. Due to this, the object retain their strength, and by the help of forging it also eliminates of defects, inclusions and porosity. Suppose there is a crack started at a particular place, by forging we can control that defect, inclusions or porosity. Also, in the forging process the price is also relatively very low, but the price, if we use small size objects, then forging is economical, and if we are using a large size object, then forging is not economical. For that we have to go through castings. It means there are advantages as well as disadvantages of forging also. Now what is hot forging and cold forging? If forging is done with the metal at room temperature, then it is called cold forging. If we are using certain tools to get the desired shape of an object at a room temperature, then it is called cold forging. And what is hot forging? If forging is done with a metal heated to a range of above room temperature but below the recrystallization temperature, then it is called hot forging. So there is a difference between forging and casting, cold forging and hot forging. So that's for all today. Thanks.